Yo, what's up you guys? It's King Camry. Welcome back to another video, man. Today we are gonna be installing some custom tuning side skirts. I know maybe a few of you guys do know them, maybe some of you guys don't, but Custom Tuning are probably the only supplier that I know that always is consistently, supplying out to all the Camrys out there for people that want to modify their car. This is not a sponsored video whatsoever. I know we've had a few of these in the past, but this is just me trying to show you guys what you can do, what brands you guys can pick up on that sell parts for your Camry, and it's gonna be a very fun installation today. I know Custom Tuning, some of you guys have like a love-hate reputation with them. You guys can check them out. If they don't reply to you on Instagram, you guys can check them out on their other selling platforms like Amazon and I believe eBay also. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the links down below so you guys can go ahead, click on them and see what they're selling, because I know a few of you guys be always messaging them on Instagram, and even for me you guys, it took me a while for them to get back to me, but that's just because they're busy. They're always talking to the customers, and it can be very, very complicated for them to reach out to every single person. So if you guys have a hard time, try checking out what they have for sale on eBay. Check them out on eBay, check them out on Amazon, see what they got, or just message me and I could probably refer them to you if you guys want to have that one-on-one communication. But overall, you guys, today we are going to be installing these custom tuning side skirts. They are TRD inspired, so we're taking a whole new route, a whole new project onto my car. The project TRD is now over and it has been officially and completely done and removed from my car. I have no TRD parts anymore from the past videos that you guys seen. So we are taking the look of my car to a whole different I wouldn't say level, but just to a whole different to a whole new different look. So today is probably one of the videos that you guys will see me changing on my car from the new look that's to come. Make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys are getting involved with the channel, because a lot of cool stuff, a lot of new stuff, a lot of brand new stuff, new mods are coming. Just make sure you guys subscribe so you won't miss out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoy this install. Peace. Alright you guys, so this is the custom tuning side skirts. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this, and everything looks like it's been well packaged. We're gonna go ahead and take this out. Alright you guys, so here is the new side skirts. These are not gonna be replacing your stock side skirts. These are just covers. So as you guys can see, they have this gap, so you don't have to worry about taking this off. Your stock side skirts can stay there, and these just go on top of it. And as you guys can see, the TRD side skirts are finally gone. I went ahead and actually sewed those, and we are finally going in with a new beautiful look. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna see how the fitment is on this thing, because it is aftermarket. This is just to see how it's gonna look, and it looks good. It looks really nice. I am, however, gonna have to make 2 pre-drill holes right here, so when I remove these screws right here on the inside, I can go ahead and put them on the side skirts and also onto the car. I don't want to make any random screws anywhere, because like me, I want it to line up with the car, you feel me? So I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna do a hole right here. You guys gotta man up and figure out where this hole is and where this hole is, or mark it, and then that's where we're gonna be doing a hole with a drill bit, and it's gonna be the same thing for the other side. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So this is the front side of the car. As you guys can see there, this is the hole we're going to be making onto the side skirts right there. We want it to line up exactly with this hole. to make sure it fits, to make sure it looks really good, OEM style. Now you guys don't really need these drill bits, but your boy came prepared today, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the hole with this. You guys don't really need this technically to make the hole. You can actually use a screw or the screws that Custom Tuning sent you, but your boy came prepared today, and I'm gonna be using these drill bits and making, you know, a much nicer and cleaner hole right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a Sharpie, mark these two up on the side skirt, follow that mark, and make the hole, so that way when I screw in these, it's gonna line up right with the side skirt, and I don't have to worry about this flying off in the freeway, and it's gonna be looking much nicer, more safer, not really depending only on the 3M tape, but it's gonna be right inside there where the thread of the OEM side skirt goes. So I'm squeezing so the mark can get onto the side skirt on the inside. So I'm gonna see if you guys can see the marks, but I can see them. There's one right here, and the other one's gonna be right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my drill bit, make the holes right here. But that's how I grab these measurements. I'm gonna go ahead and take these both screws off, just to make sure that when I do install the side skirt, they will actually go inside these holes. As you guys can see, these holes are very small. So I went ahead and removed these already from the side skirt. As you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys right now, this is way small, so it's not gonna work. We're gonna go ahead and make this hole a little bit more bigger. Same for this one. All right, you guys, check this out. I haven't installed any 3M, but I already went ahead and put the first screw onto the hole, and look, this is already on there. I'm pulling it and it's not moving, so this is not going anywhere. Oh, except right there, it just fell down. So now I'm gonna go ahead, grab my Sharpie, and do the same thing on this side. Lines up the hole with the screw perfect. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead, take off the side skirt, unscrew it from the side, from right here. I'm gonna screw it from right here and wipe down the side skirt with alcohol, have it ready, install the 3M tape, and install it on to the car finally. So 3M is finally installed. It's time to go ahead and put it onto the car. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the 3M onto the car. Now I'm gonna go ahead and have this little slack outside. Make sure everything's lined up. Alright, you guys, so here are the side skirts. If you guys can see right here, let me show you guys the holes we made, how perfectly they lined up to the OEM stock side skirts. This side skirt is not gonna go anywhere. Even let's just say even if I wouldn't have put that 3M tape, you know, these two OEM screws, they would be holding on to this side skirt without a problem. But regardless, we got to make sure we put that 3M tape right there, double side tape. So right here we have the other screw, and it's right there, you guys. This is not going anywhere. You guys seen I installed this. I did not have to remove my tires. I didn't have to go over the top to install these. If you guys have the right proper tools, all you need is that drill, and that's about it. This is very easy install. Anybody can do this, and hopefully this video was helpful for you guys.